Yeah, it's MP, the Jamaican Greenface. A lot of shit been going down, man. A lot of shit. As I rise, now I see fake smiles. Start to rise, now I see a lot of fake smiles. Fake people coming from every direction. They wanna be chilling in my motherfucking section. These bitches cannot give me an erection if they wanna do a lot of fucking things to their fucking complexion to look better. Bitch, I want you to make my heart like a sweater, but you ain't making my life or my fucking love life no fucking better. I hate myself that I met her, yeah, but yet I cannot forget her, yeah. I'm talking about Moana. That bitch used to be in my corner, but no, she's gone haunting me just like a ghost. I remember the shit, yeah, she used to do the most, but she's gone and she ain't coming back. Sorry, but that's a motherfucking fact. Try to tell myself I gotta move on, so I did it, and I'm with it. But sometimes I think about her. Damn, I gotta lose this fucking mindset that I got, man. This girl is haunting me, but I see a lot of people say it's only for the best. So I gotta do this shit right. I gotta get high on the speed, man. And you better don't know, say me is a Jamaican nigga. So your office is when they make a transition on a mission with a great reputation for not failing. I am a tailor, but I am not a sailor. But I pull up on a boat, I'm the goat. Nigga, I'm a cutthroat, never leave my gun. Nigga, run up on me, nigga, I ain't gonna run. Pull up my gun, shoot you in the face, nigga, then call the cops, nigga. Tell a nigga died on my doorstep. He run up on me, then he died. I make sure bullet flies right through his eyes. I don't know why. A lot of shit be coming up daily, man. Frustrating me. I don't know why these people hating me, man. I don't know. It's fucked up. I don't fucking know.